Did you know an entire lake once killed 1,700 people in a single night without making a sound? On August 21st, 1986, the people of 16 villages in Cameroon went to sleep like any other night, but they would never wake up. Lake Nyos sits in an old volcano crater. For years, deadly carbon dioxide gas had been seeping up from underground, dissolving into the lake water like a giant bottle of poisonous soda. That night, something triggered the lake to suddenly release all that trapped gas at once. 300,000 tons of invisible carbon dioxide poured out like a silent river of death, flowing down into the valleys below. Survivors described an eerie quiet and the smell of rotten eggs. When rescue teams arrived, they found entire villages where every person and animal had died peacefully in their sleep, suffocated by the invisible gas. Scientists now use special tubes to slowly release the gas and prevent another disaster, but similar killer lakes exist around the world, including right here in the United States.